Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your new metal hose reel box step by step. First, carefully lay out the contents of the box and organise in the order that you'll need them to make it nice and easy for us as we go. Our next step is to assemble the legs for the box. To do this, first lay a towel out on your surface and rotate the hose reel box upside down, holding the lid closed as you do so. Place each leg into position around the box. You'll need to face the open side of the leg inwards for each one and slot into place before securing with the supplied screws. Once the legs are all secured into place, carefully flip the box upright again. Now it's time to attach the crank handle and water inlet. Once these are in place, we only need to connect the water and we're ready to go. First, push your crank handle into the dedicated slot on the right hand side of the box. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to secure it into place using the supplied screw. Next, install the water inlet by pulling the locking lever down and inserting it in the desired direction. You can choose to face it left, right or down. Push the inlet tube all the way in, then close the locking lever, like so, to secure in place. This box I've just assembled comes with a 30-metre hose included. But if you choose to buy one without a hose, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. I'll show you how to fit your own hose in just a minute. Whether you purchase the box with or without a hose, all boxes come with a pre-fitted leader hose and two Hoselink universal tap connectors. One with a black reducer and one with a grey reducer. The tap connector with the black reducer screws onto the box's water inlet, while the other one screws directly to your outdoor tap. Now you can fit the leader hose with an easy point and twist motion to ensure a watertight connection from the tap to the box. Next, attach the included spray gun. But to do this, we first need to remove the end of the hose from inside the box. Connect the spray nozzle using the same point and twist action as before. You'll notice the box has this built-in hose guide system, which is the part that runs back and forth when you pull out and retract the hose, making sure it layers correctly and neatly. If you want to see more of the box in action and hear all about its features and benefits, be sure to check out this video here. If you purchased your hose reel box without a hose included, I'm now going to show you how to attach your own, as well as how to get started with the included no leak, no burst Hoselink hose fit-in. First, grab your hose and make sure there are no existing fittings on either end. Now pick up the included hose clamp and get a cup of boiling water ready. The first thing I recommend you do is fit the included hose connector with flow control. To do this, take the end off your hose and ensure it has a nice neat flat edge. If in doubt, snip a bit off the end using secateurs. Now unscrew the rear nut from the fitting and place it over the end of your hose. Next, place the white split ring on flush with the end of the hose. Dip the end of the hose in boiling water for 5 to 10 seconds to soften the hose a little. Then remove the stem from the fitting. Push the hose onto the stem, making sure the hose and split ring are pushed all the way down to the base. Now place it back into the fitting case and tighten the rear nut to secure. Now we're ready to fit the hose to the drum. To begin, line the hose guide up with the inlet stem on the left. Use the crank handle to move into place. Soften the end of the hose in the cup of boiling water for a few seconds, then thread through the hose guide and slide the clamp over it. Push onto the water inlet, making sure it's pushed all the way to the base. Tighten the hose clamp with a Phillips head screwdriver to secure. Now you can wind the hose onto the drum. You're ready to go. Don't forget to refer to your manual for tips on how to keep your box in good working order year after year with a little annual TLC. Happy watering.